In front of me is the all-new Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series, a car that isn't just about getting from A to B, it's about redefining what it means to drive in ultimate style. With a twin-turbo V8, jaw-dropping details, and technology you won't find anywhere else, this Maybach is more than a car, it's a rolling piece of art. Stick around, because I'm going to show you every detail, what I love, and what I think could be better. We're here in the city center of Turk, parked at the iconic Metropole, and I'll be honest, this car fits the backdrop perfectly. From the moment you look at the front, you know this isn't just another SL. The illuminated grille with its vertical Maybach lines immediately commands attention, and if you look closer, you'll spot Maybach logos hidden in the diffuser and even across the bonnet. These little details are what set the Monogram series apart. And here's something futuristic: unlock the car, and the headlights project a Maybach-like animation directly onto the ground or a nearby wall. Yes, your car is literally putting on a light show just to welcome you. Luxury doesn't get more personal than that. On the side, you notice the Maybach logo projected onto the pavement, angled outward almost like it's inviting you in. And of course, the proportions, the long bonnet emphasized with a chrome line, the wide stance, the sweeping roofline, it's both elegant and powerful at the same time. Now for one of my favorite parts. By holding down the unlock button, you can watch the soft top roof fold away in about 20 seconds. It's like a mechanical ballet, smooth, precise, and completely satisfying. And once it's down, the real magic begins, the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a stunning white leather cabin, with Maybach logos stitched, pressed, or patterned into almost every surface. From the pedals and the floor mats to the headrests and gauges, everywhere you look, there's a reminder that you're in something rare. Even the trunk doesn't escape the treatment, lined with Maybach exclusive mats and white contours, with extra hidden storage space underneath. It's thoughtful luxury. Sitting behind the wheel, the experience gets even better. You have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, turbine-style air vents, and of course, Mercedes' signature portrait-style touchscreen. What makes it unique here is that it can tilt forward or backward to reduce glare depending on sunlight. It's a clever touch that makes daily driving easier. Wireless charging, cup holders, premium sound, everything you'd expect. But what really sets it apart is the ambient lighting. At night, the cabin glows with customizable colors, wrapping around the dashboard, doors, and floor. It's more than lighting, it's atmosphere. And because this is a Maybach, you get exclusive Maybach mode. When activated, the suspension becomes unbelievably smooth, adapting instantly to bumps and imperfections. It's comfort on a level few cars can match. But don't mistake this for just a luxury cruiser. Under the hood is a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering serious power. Normally, Maybach uses 680 to mean a V12, but here it represents refinement and maturity in a V8 package. Switch to sport mode, and the entire character of the car changes. The exhaust note deepens, the throttle sharpens, and suddenly the SL 680 feels every bit the Grand Tourer. Then, with a press of a button, you can slip back into Maybach mode and return to near silence. Even at higher speeds on the Autobahn, it remains composed, with a quiet cabin that makes conversation effortless. The dual personality here is remarkable: luxury when you want it, performance when you need it. Mercedes also packed the SL 680 with clever technology. The traffic light camera lets you see signals without leaning forward. Lane guidance and pedestrian alerts are projected right onto the road, helping you stay aware. Parking is stress-free thanks to a full 360 degrees camera and sensors, so even with massive wheels, you won't worry about scratching your rims. It's clear this car isn't just about looks, it's about making every part of driving effortless. So here's the big question: is it perfect? Well, almost. My one disappointment is the lack of soft closed doors, a feature I think every Maybach should have. For a car at this level, it feels like a small but noticeable miss. But honestly, when you consider everything else, the craftsmanship, the technology, the exclusivity, it's a small trade-off. The Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 isn't just a car you buy. It's a statement. A statement of taste, success, and appreciation for the finer things in life. Thank you so much for joining me on this in-depth look at the new Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more of the world's most exclusive cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment on what you think of this Maybach. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.